today we had the fraction fair in 4th grade. The fraction fair is an opportunity for kids to go out and explore how they can use fractions in their daily life. We have projects that range from cooking to sewing to photography. Some years we've had music and violinists come in. It's a great opportunity for families to work together and do an exploration project with their children. Hi, I'm Sherry Theory, 4th grade teacher. I like seeing the enthusiasm the kids come in with. They get to use fractions in real life applications, and they're so excited, and so they get to use the information they use in class in activities outside of school, and so they find a valid reason for it. IB is all about discovery, and it gives kids an opportunity to make a choice of how they want to do their project, what topics interest them, and then they get to use them in an authentic way. The fraction fair gives kids the opportunity to use their learner profile traits, such as being a thinker and seeing how the fractions are used in their daily lives. It gives them an opportunity to be a risk taker because they get to show part of themselves, what they like and how it applies to what we're learning in the classroom. They get to be a communicator because they get to show their projects to all the visitors that come in. Families are welcome to come. We invite other grades. We had our buddy classes come in this morning as well to see the kids' projects. I really like the projects this year that involve photography. The students got to go out and find 20 examples of fraction use in their world. It could be at home, it could be in their travels, and they came up with some really creative ideas of how they saw fractions. What makes Fraction Fair unique to this school is that it gives kids the opportunity to make a choice of what project they want to do. And it gives them a chance to learn in an inquiry-based project. What we do in class to prepare for Fraction Fair is teach the concepts. We do our own projects in class and activities that use fractions. But most of the project is done by the students with their families outside of class. So it is their individual inquiry that drives their projects. I like Fraction Fair because it's a fun activity. It gets the kids excited. They get to spend time learning with their families, which is kind of a unique opportunity that we have at Imagine. And it also brings their families into the school to give them an opportunity to share what they learn and also what their friends are doing and learning. So on Fraction Fair, the students set up their projects. Families are invited to come in. They get to go from classroom to classroom, and as people come up to their station, they get to explain what they did and what they learned while they were doing it. And it gives them an opportunity to show what they learned in class and how they used it in an authentic way in their exploration. The kids get to see that fractions are not just a concept they learn in the classroom. They get to see that fractions are actually something that they will use in their daily lives. And so it gives them a real reason to learn these ideas.